Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Just doing a quick check-in for the final exam. The final exam is open today, so you'll be able to access the final exam starting today. I know a lot of you requested a little bit of early access, and that is fine. The only difference with the final exam compared to other exams is it requires a lockdown browser. So make sure you have that ready to go prior to taking the final exam. You can't have more than one, of course, um, window open at one time due to it being a final exam. Further, you also have to make sure it's not open book, right? So this exam is very similar to the ones you had before in regards to exam 1 and 2. There's 68 questions, and a lot of the questions are repeated, so you should be able to do really well in this final exam. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you have any questions with the lockdown browser, also don't hesitate to reach out. It's pretty easy to open and make sure it's downloaded. But other than that, you should be all set for the final exam. And I know you're going to do really well, especially if you studied based on the information I've put in videos the last couple of days, and then also the study guides that issued. So make sure you look at those before you take the final exam and then jump into it with all the faith in the world because you've prepared for it all this time. Thanks so much. Hope you have a good rest of the day. Hope you have a good weekend. And if you need anything, please reach out.